how we play. In just a minute, you'll see a full screen with a curtain. That curtain will pull back and reveal a word that you'll be in charge of reading and shouting out loud and proud. You'll see a 3-second countdown timer in the corner. That timer will count down 3, 2, 1. And right after you see that one, scholars, go ahead and shout out and read the word you see on your screen. All the words we'll be reading today, of course, have the letter E and its long sound E. Let's do a practice. Here comes your first practice word. Ready? Me. Great job, friends. Are you ready to play now? Me too. Let's go for it. Here comes your first word. She. He. We. Scholars, you are just too good at this game. I think I need to make it a little bit more challenging. Get those thinking caps on. Here comes some more words. Secret. Fever. Relay. Recess. Awesome job today, scholars, learning and practicing the long sound for E and exploring 2 of its many spelling patterns.